Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Figma student account. First, open your browser and go to figma.com/education/apply. When the page loads, you will see options for institution type. Select the option that matches your school. You can choose boot camp, higher education, or high school. Next, you will be asked if you have a school-issued email address. If you already have one, select yes and continue. If you are not logged in yet, first log into your Figma account using your school-issued email address. This step is important because personal emails may not be accepted. After that, agree to the terms and conditions on the page and click Next. On the next screen, you will see role options. Choose whether you are a student, administrator, or educator. If you are applying for yourself, select Student and follow the next steps. If you are part of a K-12 institution, click on the special link shown on the page. This will open a form where you must enter detailed information about your school. Carefully fill in your school email address. Then select what best describes your role. If you choose Other, type your title in the field provided. Next, enter your school domain, your school or district name, your school state or province, and your school country. You will also need to enter the number of students in your district. After that, choose the technology platform your school uses and explain briefly why you are interested in using Figma. Once all fields are filled in, review your information and submit the form. Figma will review your request and notify you once your student access is approved. Thanks for watching.